It's just one thing I gotta say. Lil Tay was a blood, right? The other one I say is a pastor because he became a crip. Now what the fuck's with that, man? I don't know what the fuck's going on. Cause look here, we be in the streets and we be shooting niggas and killing bloods and stuff like that. What the fuck is a blast to say that he's a pastor just because he's a crip? Now he's nice with us. So fuck them and fuck what they say. Let them try their luck, man. We're gonna see who we can get you in the streets. We're gonna see who's gonna cry for their mama, no? Yeah, it's a tough war, man. It's not gonna end. It's never gonna end. And ain't over till it's over. We then lost too many niggas. We then lost too many Crip gang niggas, man. Yeah, that's why we're taking them out. We're taking the bloods out one by one, man. It's a tough war, no? Yeah, tough war. So you understand what's going on. None of you niggas understand where we coming from, man. Cause you don't live in our hood. Yeah, I'm white, so what? Who gives a fuck about that, man? I'm a Crip. You understand? I've been a Crip since I was a young nigga. Now I'm growing up. And I've seen all these children die and everything in the streets. You think the police gives a fuck about us? They don't give a fuck. We're gonna take it to the bloods, man, bro. We're gonna kill them all. And we're gonna take the stuff and we're gonna win the war. I'm warning you all.